Hi, I'm Emily. Today we are going to make easy and delicious stuffed mushroom. This is all the ingredients that we need. First, wash and remove the stem of mushroom. To prepare the mince, I'm using the pork belly and chop it with a cleaver. I'm using pork belly because it has the right proportion of fat and meat, which makes perfect texture for stuffed mushroom and it is more juicy. Here I'm going to add some prawns. However, not to mince the prawn, just flatten the prawns and cut it into small pieces. Then add the marinade sauce. This is the oyster sauce, soy sauce, the white pepper, sesame oil, and finally the scallion or the spring onion. Mix everything together in one direction until well combined. Scoop a tablespoon of mince and fill the mushroom. Put in air fryers 180 degrees for 15 minutes. This is our very easy but delicious stuffed mushroom. Like and share if you like this stuffed mushroom, and in the next episode I'm going to share another super easy food idea with dragon fruit. Welcome to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. See ya! Bye!